Hello students, hope you are all doing well. Today our topic is digestion process in amoeba. Amoeba is actually a single cell organism. So they don't have any digestive system in their body. They have to utilize their whole cell for their digestion process. Previous class I discussed about different or 5 major steps of digestion. That is, first one is ingestion, second one is digestion, third one is absorption, fourth one is assimilation, and the last one is digestion. Amoeba also exerts, or digestion in amoeba also follows these 5 steps, or these 5 major steps of digestion. So the first step, ingestion or ingestion. In this process, amoeba actually looks like this. They don't have any definite cell structure. This is the nucleus. When amoeba feels that there are nearby, it has its food material. Amoeba actually depends on digestion, depends on food for in bacteria. They actually feed on different kinds of bacteria, diatoms, algae, or some other plant or animal parts, like the smaller parts. So they that it can ingest in their body or engulf it whole in their body. So they depend on bacteria, diatoms, and algae, especially for their digestion or for their nutrition. So when amoeba see or feels that its food material is nearby, they actually develop, or they actually elongate their plasma membrane and covers the food material whole surface like this. They elongate their plasma membrane to engulf the food material. The cytoplasm from their posterior side flows on the direction of the food material. Like from the posterior part, the plasma or the cytoplasm flows into the anterior side to form a finger-like projections. So these special finger-like projections are known as false feet, because they resembles like feet-like structures. So they actually looks like the false feet, and this false feet is known as pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. Okay, so they actually covers up the food material by flowing their cytoplasm in from posterior side to anterior side to cover up or to engulf the food material and they actually develop a finger-like projection that resembles false feet-like structure, and these finger-like projections are known as pseudopodia. So this is the ingestion process in amoeba. The second process is digestion. Second process is digestion. Now, after engulfing the food material fully, when the food material fully engulfed, vacuole is created inside the amoeba single cell. Then the lysosome in the amoeba's cell came to fuse with this vacuole or the food vacuole. When the lysosome fuse with this food vacuole, the enzyme in lysosome released into this vacuole. Means when the food is fully engulfed, then the lysosome came in contact with the food vacuole and it fused with this vacuole to release its digestive enzymes. So these are actually the digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes. When the digestive enzymes released, these digestive enzymes break down this food material or break down this complex material into simpler forms. Thirdly, in this vacuole, this complex food material break down in simpler forms. So this is the complete digestion process in amoeba cell. The third process is absorption. Third process is absorption. So, in absorption process, when the food material, food material formed into the simpler one, complex food material turned into simpler forms, it released into the cytoplasm. Okay, it released into the cytoplasm. So this process is known as absorption. Fourth one is assimilation. So in assimilation process, what happened is, in amoeba cell, this minute simple food material utilized in the process of respiration to fulfill amoeba's energy requirement, as well as this food material also helps to grow or to make their body structure, or this food material also gives energy, that this energy also utilized in reproduction process also. So when the simple food material absorbed, after that this material utilized in various ways, it helps to form the body structure of amoeba or to grow the amoeba. Secondly, it also helps in respiration to fulfill their energy requirement, and some energy is utilized in the case of reproduction. Last process is digestion. So after all this process happened, means uh, the food material, when utilized for energy requirement or the body growth or the making of body part, the extra food or the undigested food material is thrown up by the amoeba cell. What happened is the undigested food material, a certain part or any part of the plasma membrane suddenly ruptures and the food material is thrown outside, or the undigested food material thrown outside from the amoeba's body. So this process is known as digestion. So amoeba also exerts 5 major steps of digestion: ingestion or engulfing the food material by the help of pseudopodia, then digestion, after their absorption, assimilation, followed by digestion process.